Welcome to Module 2 to Understanding the Utility-First Approach. I'm thrilled to have you here, and I'm your instructor, the NetQuest 1. The Utility-First Approach is a design and development philosophy used in web development, particularly with frameworks like Tailwind CSS. It emphasizes the use of small, single-purpose utility classes to construct user interfaces and styles rather than writing custom CSS for every element or component. Here's a detailed explanation of the utility-first approach. 1. Single-purpose classes. In a utility-first approach, each CSS class is designed for a specific purpose. For example, classes like TextCenter, TextBlue 500, or P4 have clear and individual roles in styling elements. This contrasts with traditional CSS, where you might define custom classes like button style or header text. 2. Atomic design. The utility-first approach aligns with the principles of atomic design, where components are composed of smaller building blocks. These building blocks are often represented by utility classes that apply one specific style, such as margins, padding, text color, or positioning. 3. Faster development. Using utility classes speeds up development because you can apply styles directly in your HTML markup. This approach eliminates the need to write extensive custom CSS rules for each component. Developers can focus on building components and layouts without spending a lot of time on styling. 4. Predictable and consistent. Utility classes follow a consistent naming convention, making it easy to understand and apply styles across your project. This leads to a predictable and uniform design system, reducing the risk of inconsistent styling. 5. Customizable. While utility classes are predefined, they are often highly customizable. You can adjust styles using configuration files or extend the utility classes to match your project's unique design requirements. This flexibility allows you to create a branded look while maintaining a utility-first approach. 6. Responsiveness. Utility classes often include responsive variants. For instance, you can apply classes like TextCenter to style elements differently at specific breakpoints, ensuring a responsive design. 7. Smaller CSS footprint. The utility-first approach minimizes the size of your CSS files. You only include the styles you'd use, which results in a smaller style sheet, improving website performance. Additionally, tools like Purgex can remove unused styles in production builds. 8. Easier maintenance. Since styles are defined directly in your HTML markup, it's easier to locate and update styles. This approach simplifies maintenance, debugging, and collaboration among developers. 9. Learning curve. Learning and adopting utility classes is typically easier for new developers. The class names often reflect their effect, reducing the learning curve compared to understanding complex custom CSS rules. 10. Component-based approach. Utility-first CSS pairs well with a component-based development approach. Developers can create reusable and encapsulated components that include utility classes for consistent styling. 11. Widely adopted. The utility-first approach has gained popularity in the web development community. It's supported by frameworks like Tailwind CSS and others, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. In summary, the utility-first approach promotes efficient, consistent, and customizable web development. It's particularly beneficial for rapidly building and styling web applications while keeping styles organized and maintainable. Developers can strike a balance between speed and flexibility, making it a valuable approach for various projects.